Hey guys, it's Mary, and today I'm going to be recreating one of Antonio Garza's tutorials. I think this is the only one he has on his channel. It's the blue glitter halo eye talk through. So let's get into the video. That's what we get today. Let's start. He did his brows off camera, so my dip brow in blonde. This brow always looks really good, or like the best my brows can get. And the other one, I can never like find the shape for it. Should I carve them out? Because he usually carves them out. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fine Concealer. I think it just doesn't do anything for his eyelid with that too, so. I only have one palette that has blues in it, and it's this Ulta palette, Beauty Gems from Ulta. This looks so bad. Good Lord, I don't know how to do this. Oh, you have to set it? Take this like little angled brush. I don't have any like light gold colors though. Okay, 30 Morphe 35. I'm just gonna take that gold color right here. Rivet Tray, I don't know, this eyeliner that I got. Okay, I'm gonna do my eyelashes. Just gonna curl my eyelashes real quick. Oh, my Unique Epic mascara. It's my favorite mascara. Top mascara right now, and then I'm gonna do my face, baby skin, and then this Maybelline Master Prime, the green one. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. Then I'm gonna use my CoverGirl True Blend foundation, and the lightest color there is number 1. I'm using my Real Technique sponge, just blending it in. Okay, dokie. Now I'm gonna take my Coty spun and bake this time. Couple last parts. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Moonchild palette, and I'm gonna go into probably a mix of these two, like the blue and the purple. Oh wow! Then the last part of this journey, I'll just do a nude. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and go watch my last video, which was my thrifting haul part 2. I'm actually kind of liking this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!